First, we'll say the definition of constitution, right? Then, what does it do? One, two, three, 4 points are there. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Ready? Okay.
Constitution is a set of rules for our country.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. It
Hmm.
gives equal right to everyone.
Okay.
It treats everyone without any discrimination.
It treats everybody same.
Without any discrimination.
Okay.
It helps to maintain peace and fairness in the country.
Okay.
It brings people together and support unity in diversity.
Okay. Very good. देख
Ma'am,
के
now
बोला बिना
seven.
देखे बिना बोला.
मैंने देखी मैम 7th question.
Yes. Seventh question. Explain how